Alright guys, sorry I'm not there today, but it's pretty straightforward. By now you should have already watched the other video on how to use your calculator to do scientific notation. And that video would have shown you that you need to worry about the EE button, right? Second EE. Don't put in X10 to the power of. No, just use the second EE button. But what if you don't have a scientific calculator at your house? Well, that's no big deal. You just go to Google and you type in online scientific calculator, which is what I did there, as you can see, and you just do the problem that way. So I'm going to use it to do this particular problem, 4.88 times 10 to the negative 7 times 3.2 times 10 to the 12th. X88 exponent negative 7 times 3.2 times 10 to the 12th. Exponent to the 12th equals. Now, you can write that down like that, but I'm actually going to write it in scientific notation. 1561600, because it needs to be in scientific notation. We're using scientific notation. 1561600. There's my decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excuse me, I don't feel well. 1.56 times 10 to the 6th. Because I'm only going to be focusing on these two decimal places. Right? Now the other one I'm just going to do with my calculator. 9.8 second EE to the 12th divided by 7.99 second EE to the 4th. Enter. And then I get a really big number. I'm going to change my calculator. I'm going to use the mode button. By the way, if you want to do this, use the mode button to change it to scientific notation. Okay. And then I'm going to go back and do it again. 9.8 second EE to the 12th divided by 7.99 second EE to the 4th. And I get one, oops, I don't want to use red. I get 1.2265 times 10 to the 8th. But again, I'm only wanting those two decimal places right there. So that's going to become 1.23, since that number right there is 5 or greater, times 10 to the 8th. And that's what I would put in Canvas. Now remember, when you're doing the quizzes in Canvas, you're always writing your numbers the way you have to write them in Canvas. So it would be 1.23 x 10 caret 8. And that would be the style for Canvas, because you had to use the caret. And remember, it's only two decimal places. All right, good luck, folks. You got unlimited chances, so you can use that to figure out what's going wrong. Be sure to help each other, and I'll be back as soon as I can.